Angelina! Please get me something to drink. Angelina, I asked you to bring me something to drink, and you brought me water. Does it mean we no longer have juice in the fridge? I even brought the water with plastic cup. And you still pour it on my body. Eh? Hi, God, this girl is just too local for my liking. Stupid girl. Auntie. Auntie, what I do? Eh? You're asking me to bring you water. Now I'm bringing you. You're not pouring the water on me. Auntie, God will judge you. Auntie, God is watching. Oh, God. Now listen. The fact that you're my sister's child. Eh? But I just hate you. You know why? Because you refuse to go to school. Now, leave. Leave this place! I don't blame you now. I don't blame you. I dash you clothes to wear. Hi! Oh God, this kid is so annoying. So local. Angelina, go and check this out.
Who are you finding?
It's Mrs. Lucy.
Huh?
Mrs. Lucy.
Hi, sugar boy.
Hey, baby, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Come here.
Yeah.
Oh, baby. I miss you.
Miss you too. Look at you.
Hey,
Hey! Auntie! He's not another man! Auntie, he's not another man! Hey! Auntie, I don't like this at all. I don't like... See, Auntie, I'm telling your husband. I'm telling you...
shut up! Are you stupid? No. Are you okay? Are you alright? I don't blame you. Now, take this bag and get inside. Eh? I said take this bag. I am talking to you! Take this bag and leave! She's too local for my liking. Baby, don't worry. Come here. Of course, come here. I miss you, baby.
Auntie, Angelina, what is it? Auntie, I want to tell you something. I'm listening. Auntie, see, let me tell you the truth. This thing that you're doesn't like it at all. Auntie, every time you be bringing Mano inside your marriage home, and now even bringing all these small boys home. And see, doesn't good at all. Eh? Auntie, if it is because your husband travel out, Auntie, he waits for him now. Eh? All this thing that you're doing is not good though. It's not good. If it is in village, it is big crime. Big crime.
Okay, I've heard you. Angelina, thank you.
Auntie, I'm telling you my own truth though. If you like, you're taking it. If you like, you're not taking it.
You like it, right?
Yeah, baby.
It's been long I did that.
Try that one.
Okay. We missed you. I need water.
Water.
Yeah.
Angelina! Angelina! Yeah. Get me a glass of water. Inside this one.
Okay.
Yes, try it.
Laugh, you said you like it.
Yeah. It's tickling me.
Yes, it's been long I did that.
What's in here? Jesus Christ of Nazareth!
What's the meaning of this?
Sorry, now. Come here! Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
Yeah. Auntie, you slapping me. You slapping me because of this man. Auntie, I swear.
Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Eh? Stupid girl! What? This girl.
Just look at my body.
Sorry, okay?
Just take a look at my body.
Now, leave. Leave this place now! Hide this girl.
Just take a look at my body.
Auntie, you slapping me. You slapping me because of another man, no? Auntie, see. Auntie, I tell you your husband. I tell you your husband.
Now, leave this place now. Get inside now!
Just take a look at my body. Eh?
Just calm down, okay? Just bring your mind down, okay? She's a
Just take a look at my body. Take a look at my body.
She's just a village girl, a local girl. Just calm down, okay? This girl don't pour sand inside my garage.
Hey, take these clothes, eh? Wash them properly, eh? Yes, clothes. Wash them properly.
Huh?
Wash them properly, the clothes. The t-shirts. Concentrate well on the neck. Yeah? Wash them properly, okay?
Oh, wait. Hi. I don't suffer.
You wanting me?
Yes, of course.
to washing this?
Yes, of course. Is there anything wrong with you washing the underwear? Is there anything wrong with you washing it? Get me my belt. I see my belt. Get me my belt. Get me my belt. Pull it off. Get me my belt. My belt. Yes. Thank you. Wash. You need to dry clean it. Make it neat. Thank you.
This boy needing serious prayer. He needing serious prayer. Chena this house. I'll show you, baby. I'll show you, baby. See, let me tell you, if your mommy coming out and you telling her anything, I'll kill you. You tell her anything, you die by my hand. In fact, come on, carry me. Carry.
Angelina, what are you doing?
I'm better.
Anyway, I'm going out to get some things. Make sure you take care of this baby. Make sure you feed them, eh? And take care of the house. I don't want to hear anything when I come back. Am I understood? Am I understood?
Used to what? Eh? Make sure you feed these babies well. Because it seems
I'm
like
coming back now.
you eat a lot of food in this house.
What did you want him to tell you all the time? Eh? Eh? What did you want him to tell you now? See, if you're telling your mommy anything when she's coming back, I kill you. Take. Carry me. And if she's coming back, you're telling her anything again, I'm killing you.
Come on, come here.
Why is Junior crying? Has Junior eaten? And you, have you eaten? No. So Angelina have not given you food? Even Junior? This girl is going to something else. Where is she? She's in the kitchen. By this time of the night.
Get to know. Get to know. See, if you cry now, I'm slapping you. Oh yeah. See, let me tell you something. If you want me coming out and you're telling her anything, I'm killing you. I'm killing you, man. You hearing me? If I carry this baby.
Angelina, what is going on here and why is my baby crying? Anyway, I'm going out to get something.
Then I used to.
Used to what? Used to what? Hey, make sure you feed these babies well because it seems like you're the only person feeding this house. It's not the same.
And you, carry this baby. What did you want him to tell you want me that time? Eh? What did you want him to tell you now? See, let me tell you something. If you tell you want me anything, I'm killing you in my hand.
Come on, carry this baby, Joe. Angela,
What is that?
the baby got this fault.
What did you want me to do? Eh? Am I a cooler baby? Blinking this klein baby here? Eh? Why are you blinking this klein baby? You know. Hey, what was I doing now? Yeah? Fridge. Let me go and put in the baby inside the fridge so that your body is cooling. Give me. Baby, go inside the fridge and your body will cool it. Body is cooling. The baby body is cooling. You know, klein again, you know. Your body is cooling. Your body is cooling. Doesn't you see the baby is no longer klein? Eh? The baby is no longer klein. The baby body is cooling. Shh. You're waking up now. Shh. Not waking the baby.
Oh, my baby. How are you? Where is your brother?
Mommy, baby's body's fault.
The baby body is what?
Auntie, I climbed well today. I climbed well. Auntie, I'm tired. My body is hot. And I'm having him cooling water. Inside. You know what?
I'm putting him inside the fridge.
Fridge? I said, your body is cooling. No longer climb again. Your body is cooling.
Which one in the fridge did you put my baby?